Look at the dumb little lizard.
He's not much more than an appetizer.
Wingnut! You mess with the wrong nut, maiden. I'm not always that violent. Just most of the time.
I've had about enough of this. How about you? Now, bud!
Easy, dragon. Hey!
Okay, finish them off, and then we'll double back to Krogan.
But Hiccup!
I know! Keep fighting! We can't leave the Wing Maidens.
Atali's in trouble. We're coming, Atali!
Rafnut!
Yeah!
Ooh, yeah! All right!
You did it.
Another Dragon Rider!
It's just one more dragon. Victory is within our grasp.
Hey, Dragon Flyers! Remember the Wing Maidens?
Come on, Krogan. Let's finish it.
Next time, Hiccup had it.
We aren't ready for anything.